Hello, welcome to Lesson 11. This is a lesson that I really want us to tie things together in terms of our course material. If you remember, one of the very first lessons we had in the beginning of the class was some foundational readings about why cultural diversity and cultural awareness is important, especially in the field of human services. Then in subsequent lessons, we looked at individual topics related to cultural diversity. Again, diversity, we should not limit our thoughts about diversity issues to only those lesson topics. The material and diversity within society certainly goes way beyond the topics we discussed this semester. So please consider the items presented as an introduction, if nothing else, so you can continue on your own study. For example, a diversity topic that I'm really interested in is how other national groups and individuals that live in other parts of the world view us here in the United States and how we view them. So that's a topic we really did not even have time to touch on this semester. It certainly should not be discounted. In this lesson, we have a couple of readings. One reading about what's the most important thing in working with people. It's building personal relationships. Another reading, which is longer, is about cultural diversity in the education setting. Again, we're trying to learn about cultural diversity, not only from a human services perspective, but also from a whole different perspective of education, for example, which is part of the human services field. So don't tell yourself that readings on education or management or conflict resolution doesn't have very much to do with the human services field, because it does. It has a lot to do with the field. And honestly, frequently we can learn much more about how other fields and specialties deal with the topic that we're interested in learning about than our own field and our own primary interest or focus of interest. We'll also be reading, last but not least, some nuts and bolts about diversity in action and how to present and develop programs that respect the diversity and differences of others. We do not have a journal this lesson. We want to give everybody additional time to continue working on your final drafts of the papers, but we do have a short discussion board posting. Thanks so much, and good luck.